I'm Max McElroy. I'm a lead mechanic at Duncan Aviation here at Lincoln, Nebraska, and I've been here for 7 years. In high school, I got my private pilot's license. Went to school at Iowa Western. I got my associates in applied science and aviation maintenance technology. I got a job right out of school as a A&P mechanic. Did some side work, working on my own to stay current in my A&P. Got a position here as an entry-level mechanic 7 years ago. So I started off as a Mech 1, 2, 3, QI, now lead tech. And everyone that I worked with when I started has all moved up, and now I'm the senior guy on the team. So that's my career path at Lincoln and where I'm at, how I got to be where I'm at today. My favorite part of the job at Duncan is working with the guys that I work with every day. I consider what I do something that I enjoy, and it's not a job to me. We stay busy, and you spend a lot of time here with the guys that you work with every day, and you have to make it something that you enjoy. And it's pretty easy to do here at Duncan as a family-owned company. They really strive for that. The most challenging part of my job at Duncan is managing a workload. The airplane comes in, it has a specific scope of work that needs to be done to it before it leaves. We may have another airplane that comes in, a month from now with the same inspection, but nothing even close to what the previous scope looked like. My job as a lead is to find what's different, make it efficient, and deliver the airplane in a quality manner that's safe to the customer, that they're happy with. That's probably the hardest part of my job, is to not only recognize the scope, but also to make the process as efficient as possible. The advice I can give a new guy starting here at Duncan is be open to learning. You're not expected to know everything day one, and we realized that coming out of A&P school. I did not know everything. The more you work on the products that you're tasked to do every day, the more you'll grow your repertoire of knowledge, and you'll become one of those guys who consistently other guys come to for help because you've done it. That's one of the nice things about Duncan, is the fact that, and I take it from me, I've worked at other MROs. 6 months of experience here on the floor is worth well over 2 years of experience elsewhere. The more hard work you put into something, the more you show your determination and drive, the faster you'll move up. Depending on how hard you want to advance and do something that you really want to do at Duncan, there's always a route for you to do that. The culture at Duncan it's unique. They say it's family-owned business, which it was 110% accurate. It's a great place to work. The family atmosphere is on the floor. It's not uncommon for Todd Duncan to walk by and say, "Hey guys, stop and talk to you and see what you did over the weekend." Senior team and management are just another person. They come down the floor, they talk to you like a normal person. I mean, the hierarchy's there, but there's not such a disconnect that you feel like you're just another set of hands. It's very unique. What inspires me at Duncan? I like airplanes. Easy as that.